Hey y'all, it's Chrissy Love, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this backsplash for my living room wall. I got this idea from Pinterest. I also seen other YouTubers use it as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. I use the duck mirror tape. I'm going to show it to you in a second. This is the 0.75 inch, and it's 5 yards on each roll. I ended up using 9 of these. I bought 3 from Hobby Lobby. They were $4 each at Hobby Lobby. And I got to use like 40% off on one of them. If you go in and go out and purchase some more, I guess you can use it for all of them, but I didn't have time for all that. But I bought 3 from Hobby Lobby, and I bought 7 from Walmart.com. They were like $2.13 a piece on Walmart.com, and it was like a $4 shipping or something like that. So I came out way cheaper getting them from Walmart. This is not the washi tape. The washi tape I didn't like the way it looked. I like this better because it actually looked like a mirror rather than just silver tape. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up now so you guys can just watch as I go. I really remember when I say I forgot. No matter how hard I try to run away from love, at the end of the night I need somebody who loves me naked. Someone who never asks for love. Now I do suggest you having something sharp, like a card, like a gift card or a credit card or something, to go over the tape and smooth it out so it's not peeling up. I found that worked for me instead of just smoothing it out with my fingers. Take away the big shirts, the tattoos, the sweatpants and bangs. Okay, I don't wear no makeup, no purse in my hand. So this is how far I was able to get with the 3 rolls that I had purchased from Hobby Lobby. This was before I had got the rest of them from Walmart. I had ended up buying 7 of them from Walmart, but I only used 6. So in total I used 9, and this is what it looked like when I was done. Y'all, please excuse this ghetto-ness going on in the background. This is the only clip I had of the wall prior to me mounting the TV. I'm sorry, but hey, it is what it is. Well, that's all, folks. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel once again. You guys are the best. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below if you have any ideas of your own or I don't know, anything. Just comment it down below and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Toodles!